Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some camera tips and tricks that you need to know of on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's get right into the camera. The first thing that I want to show you is the 200 megapixel camera lenses in the photo mode. So over here at the top we can tap on the current megapixels that we have selected and switch to 200. The next thing that I want to show you is the video mode. And in the video mode, what you need to know is that you can record in either 4K 60 FPS resolution or 8K 30 FPS. Definitely huge resolutions and great amount of FPS for 4K resolution definitely allows you to record great videos. But that's not it. If you go to the settings in the top left corner, you can also go to advanced video options. And now over here, we have HDR10 plus videos. So you can enable HDR10 plus videos to optimize the color and contrast of videos recorded in video and pro video modes. So if you want to do that, press this slider on the right side. And also, while we are still here, I can show you the 360 audio recording. This allows you to capture immersive 3D sound through your Bluetooth headphones with 360 audio recording. And of course, if you want to enable or disable this option, you need to simply tap on this slider. Okay, so for the next thing, we need to actually disable HDR10 plus videos because I want to show you the tracking autofocus. If you want to keep the rear camera focused on the selected subject or object, even if they move, then you can enable this option over here. Well, it's really great if you are in such situation, actually. Now, going above, let's actually switch to photo mode, because in some cases we need to switch to different modes in order to have access to different settings. So in this case, we might also switch to 12 megapixels. And there we go. Now over here we have the access to documents and QR codes. I mean, we can scan them with our camera, and all we need to do is simply tap on these two options. So the first one is scan documents and text, and the other one is scan QR codes, which allows you to have quick access to scanning features by simply using the camera. And over here we also have swipe shutter button 2. If you didn't know, you can actually create GIFs or GIFs by using your camera. And if you select create GIF or GIF over here, then if you go back, you can swipe the shutter button down like so, and then you will capture a GIF. Really great option. If not, then of course, by doing the same thing, you can take burst shot instead. The next thing that I want to show you is the shooting methods. And over here, of course, we have some voice commands, so we can say something out loud in order to capture a photo. We have floating shutter button, and we also have show palm gesture, but also we have press volume buttons 2 option, so we can manage the shortcuts that we have assigned to volume up and volume down buttons. So we can take picture or record video with volume up or down. We have zoom in and zoom out, so you can zoom in by using volume up and zoom out by using volume down, or you can simply use the default option for the system, that is control sound volume. And finally, if you scroll up in the settings, in the camera settings, we can also find intelligent optimization. And over here we have the optimization of quality, where we can choose between maximum, medium, and minimum. And this only affects the photo mode. This is of course the default mode that we have in the camera. And we also have scene optimizer, so be sure to check them out. You can also read the description of each of these optimizations options and what the scene optimizer does. And finally, perhaps you knew about this already, but if not, then you'll be happy to hear that you can find more camera modes by tapping on more over here. And here, as you can see, we have lots of different options like Expert RAW, Pro, Pro Video, Night, Food, Panorama, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse, or Time Lapse, Portrait Video, Dual Rec, which allows you to record videos with front and rear camera, and single take. If you want to add one of these modes to the bottom of the list of modes, then you can press this plus button, and then you can drag and drop to move modes. So let's say we're gonna use slow motion, I can drag and drop it down below, and now I have slow motion. I can also rearrange and change the order of these modes, and now I can press save, and the slow motion is easily accessible now. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!